Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer money from PayPal to Wise. First thing I want you to do is just go to Wise, get your account details of whatever currency you want to transfer to. And then what you do, you go to PayPal, you come here. So for example, for web, you come here on the right hand panel, you can click add card or bank. Or if you are on the app, you come at the bottom right, click on wallet, and then from here, you click on add new. So banks and cards, you add new, and you basically just go ahead and add your account details from Wise, and then they'll send you transactions, like two small transactions, deposits, and you just have to enter the amounts to confirm your bank. Okay, two small deposits, you enter what the amounts were, and then you put it in here, you submit that. Once it's been confirmed, click on done, and then you can begin to transfer money. So you can begin to withdraw money. So right here, you just go ahead and withdraw. So you go to transfer money, and then you click on transfer to bank, enter the amount you want to transfer, click on next, and then just transfer. So this is the web, right? On the app, a similar process. So you just go ahead and again transfer money. Okay, you send the money and then go to your wallet basically, right? And then you click on your PayPal balance and then you can begin to withdraw it. Click on transfer and just choose the amount, right? And then you just choose where you want to withdraw. So here's a Wise account. Click on next and proceed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.